Hi there, my name is Wade Tonkin. I'm from the bowlingshirt.com affiliate program, and I wanted to show you a tool that we think you should be using to help promote bowlingshirt.com products and make more sales and commissions on your website. The tool we're going to talk about today is called Popshops, and Popshops is a favorite of mine. They're a Seattle-based company. I'm a Seattle guy, and more than that, it's just a brilliant product. It's really simple to use, gives you a lot of power as an affiliate, and essentially what it lets you do is to create a customized storefront featuring products from the bowlingshirt.com data feed, as well as for a number of different other merchants from different networks as you like. But for our purposes, we'll show you how to create a bowlingshirt.com storefront. Of course, you're going to need to create yourself an account, and when you do that, you're going to provide your information. You're also going to provide some of your affiliate program logins, so logins for networks like ShareASale, Commission Junction, LinkShare, and that's going to open up a bunch of different programs you can work with. But for our purposes, we'll assume you've already done that. Go ahead and get logged in. And I've already got an account there, so it remembers me. So I'm going to go ahead and get logged in. And then the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a new shop. And we're going to call this one Bowling Shirts. Save that store, or shop, as you will. Next step is going to be to find merchants that we want to work with and populate that store. There's a number of different filter options, and they actually let you build filters so that you could say, I only want to look at ShareASale merchants, I only want to look at Commission Junction merchants. I'm going to go ahead and apply my ShareASale filter here, which is going to narrow down the choices for me. And then I'm going to scroll down to bowlingshirt.com. As you can see here, we are on the ShareASale network. We've got 936 products in the feed. If I could, no, 938. Sorry about that, small print. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on bowlingshirt.com, and you can see it's already being stocked with some products. Our next choice is going to be what kind of a layout would we like to have for our store. I'm going to go ahead and choose a 3x2. So we're going to have a 6-product store, and then from here we get the opportunity to scroll through the different possibilities in terms of products. So I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead a little bit in the number of pages, and we're going to choose a number of different shirts. So for the sake of the demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead and click on add here, and we're going to fill up this store. So now we've got 6 products that are in the store, and we're going to click on customize. Once we are up into this screen, we've got some different opportunities. Let me show you what we've got going on here. We've got pictures of the products. We've got a little bit of a product description. This is actually the product name from the data feed. There's not a lot of description in these. We're actually working on updating the descriptions a bit, but this gives you a good opportunity to use one of the cool features that's available in Popshops. And then down below here, you'll see that there is actually a button to add a description. And so if we click on that, click on add a description, and you can say a must-have for any let's say Hawaiian themed bar. Okay, and so we can go ahead and save that, and what it's going to do is it's going to actually update the description for that product within the storefront. So you can actually get in, provide your own unique opinion, your own recommendation, your own description that matches up with your site. So if you're doing some keyword population for your site, you can go ahead and go in here and add those keywords and have those indexed by the search engines. There's also a number of different possibilities in terms of the look and feel of your store. Popshops default is pretty simple because they want to have the product stand out, not necessarily any formatting. You've also got some different options, like you can have a wide formatted store, you can have a borderless store, you can have a Facebook look store, you can have a holiday showcase, which is going to be kind of yellow and green, or kind of a greenish colored for the holidays. You can have text links. You can have small product-only images. You can also create some of your own styles. So if you wanted to get in and work with take an existing look and then get in and modify it, you can do that. Or you could create a for instance, you can go ahead and create a store of your own, or a store style of your own. and change the look and feel here, change your fonts, change pretty much everything about the look and feel here. Change the borders, change the margins, image sizes. So you can actually come up with your own. Even change the fonts, so you can really come up with your own look and feel for your store here. And I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of here. Go back to our store, and once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and take it back to the Popshops default look. And once this is done, we can go ahead and pop it in. And this is the really fun part. Right now, you could effectively drop this store into your site just by simply copying and pasting this code here. It's a little bit of JavaScript, dropping it into your site. Off you go. If you want to have some options here in terms of ways that you can implement this, there's some cool possibilities. If you're a PHP coder, you can grab the PHP for your store here. If you are a ASP coder, got ASP with VBScript. Also got some different options, ASP.NET, Typepad Blogger. HTML is available as well if you've got an HTML only page. One drawback to HTML is that it's not dynamic. So if there are any pricing changes or availability changes, they're not going to be reflected in your PopShop. If you are working with the dynamic scripting languages, if a product drops out of our inventory, it's also going to come off your store. So you're always going to be sure that your products are up to date and that pricing is correct and all that. So we recommend that you use the more dynamic options in here to put your store together. So in any case, if you found what you wanted, if it was PHP was your choice, you can just go ahead and click on Select Code. It's going to grab the code for you, paste it into your site, save it, and off you go. There's also some other options. If you decide to go with the enterprise plan, you get a lot of different options, including SML, CSV formatted feeds, Atom flavored feeds, and RSS. So you can do some other cool and flexible things if you're kind of an advanced coder. Anyway, this is Popshops. This is a tool that's available for the bowlingshirt.com affiliates. We highly recommend it because it lets you, go ahead and really show off the product, and most importantly, it lets you do that in a way that's customized to your site. So if you'd like to get involved with Popshops, go ahead and check out popshops.com, sign up for an account, and if you need any help, definitely feel free to give us a buzz here. Get us by email at affiliates@bowlingshirt.com.